In this video, I'm going to be showing you the differences, or what's better really, is the motion-free controller or what I've just bought quite recently, which is the FPV Remote Controller 3. Now, if you watched a previous video where I was trying out a Neo in manual, please check it out. It didn't end very well, but I won't be trying out the manual. In today's video, it's not about the manual, it's just using the normal mode, and we're going to be going through what I class as the tunnels just over here. I think in some ways it's got its possibilities, and it's the same with this, you know, something I'm not used to with an FPV drone. Now, if you didn't know, guys, with the motion control 3, you cannot do manual mode. You need to buy this contraption for that. And at the moment, I'm just not ready for the manual. But I hope you enjoy this vid. Let's get on with it. Just a tip, guys. If you've got the Avata 2 and you've got just, I don't know, just a drone and a battery, I think personally, guys, it's worth buying the bag, because that bag, it's got so much room in it. I've got my camera in there, which is that. I've got a spare battery. I've got my Neo, which I used for testing first. Obviously got my FPV Remote Controller 3. I got my Motion Controller 3 as well. Obviously my goggles. Yeah, so if you got the money and it's coming up to Christmas, get the bag. It's so much worth it. So with the FPV control, you just push your stick forward, and then we're just going to go into the tunnel here. Okay, I'm just gonna, one thing I love about this, I can pull back on the stick and it'll bring it back out. Which is not so easy, which I'll show you later on with the motion controller. So I'm just going in now. Right, it's just getting you. You're gonna have to bear with me, guys, with the sticks. Okay, and obviously the sunlight doesn't help. Yeah. And I think this is another thing with this type of controller, that you're using both sticks, where obviously with the motion control you're just using the movement of your wrist. So I'm just going to take it out quickly, because unfortunately I've only got one battery with the Neo, and I'm just going to see if I can come in at a different entrance here. No wind about, well, if there is, it's very, very light. Right, I just want to see. Okay. This could end in disaster, because I'm so not with these sticks. And the other thing you just noticed, I've just lost it's pixelating. Okay. Let's come forward a little bit more. Now, obviously with these, I can just drop it down. Yeah. Now, I couldn't really do that with the motion controller, really. I will give it a go later on. Okay, and then we just... So I think we're talking next year, before I get into the manual. Okay, let's just bring it towards me. Let's see how far away. Just bring it down a little bit, so if I can get it in my hand. Okay, that's what I love about the Neo. I don't have to get up and down all the time for an old bloke. Anyway, I'm going to change it over now to the Motion Controller 3. So on this, obviously it's a double tap. Okay, All right, so you see that circle, that's the motion controller doing that. So we're just gonna bring it through, and then we're gonna go backwards. Now, I don't know what it is when we're going backwards. Right, so we stop that and pull back on the trigger. Right, okay. So yeah, that didn't go very well. So we'll try again. Okay, I think going through obstacles like this, I think I prefer the motion controller more than I do with the other controller. But you saw when I went backwards, that didn't go very well. And just to remind everybody, I'm still in normal mode. I'm just keeping an eye on that battery. I did notice it looked a bit low, but I've got 43%, so that is enough. Okay, so I'm just coming in now. Okay, I need to slow down a little bit. Right. Okay, so this one is totally different way of doing it, because I just tilt down the controller itself. And I'm just going to bring it back to me. Okay, I'm going to land that. I've just paused it while we've done that. Okay, it's just landing. So the summary: motion-free controller and the FPV remote controller free. I'll be honest, end of the day for me still is the motion controller. I think I can get it a lot lower. I'm just not used to these sticks, but I'm not giving up, guys. I am going to persevere using the sticks. I still think I'm a long way off before I could go on manual, but I was showing you in today's video using the Neo. I'm really surprised at that Neo. Guys, if you got thinking about getting a Christmas present and you can't afford the 4 Pro or even the 3 Pro, and you just want to get into drone flying, get that Neo, because it can do so many things. And especially with me, if you want to do FPV flying, that little drone can do so many little things, and also lots of other things as well. But this is not what this video is about. So at the moment, for me, it's still the motion controller. I just got, it's easy because it's one arm. It's just using the wrist. Whereas this, you do, well, you youngsters probably could find it no problem, but to me, I do find it difficult using both sticks on different movements. But anyway, it'd be great to hear what you guys think. I mean, I know a lot of you FPV flyers, oh, Sean, this is a lot of rubbish, get rid of that and just stick with this. I mean, I can see its good points, especially for going up and down very quickly. This, you've got to use your wrist. And obviously the other thing is, I can move that gimbal down. But that'll be in another video. But anyway, as always, this could be another video coming right soon.